Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to know my little trick to making a good steak, then stay tuned. So simple, so easy, and comes out perfect every time. So I took my piece of sirloin steak and salt and peppered both sides. I cook it in a hot pan about 375 degrees on both sides for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then I put it on a plate, cover it, and I let it rest for 10 minutes. Now I'm just slicing it. And yeah, my knife is not that sharp, but the steak is very tender and delicious. It's just my knife is not that sharp to get nice, thin cuts, but it's still thin enough. He likes it with a little bit of red in the middle, not like it's still mooing and raw. So this is perfect the way my husband likes it. You can cook it however you would like it, but the trick is to make sure you let it rest. You have to let your steak rest. So now I'm just pairing that up with French fries that I cooked in the air fryer and some nice hot broccoli with a little bit of butter and salt and pepper on it. Now, those juices that are on the plate that came from the steak, definitely do not want to throw those out. That has a nice little salt and pepper flavor in it, along with the beef flavor. And you just want to put that over your steak. And then, of course, you want to add your little thing of ketchup to dunk your fries in. And voila, there you have it. That's Greg's dinner for tonight. Beautifully cooked sirloin steak, French fries, broccoli, and ketchup on the side. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscription button. Please hit that notification bell so you know when I have another video coming up. And I'll see you all in the next video. Everybody have a great night. Take care now. Bye-bye.